Laboratory 4 Housekeeping Tools and Equipments Video Presentation. Use of cleaning tools, equipment, supply and materials, and its proper care and maintenance. Cleaning tools. Broom is a cleaning supplement for shipping made or bundle of straw of twigs attached to a long handle. Care maintenance. Gently tap on a hard surface to lose dust after the cleaning process. Dustpan is a cleaning tool commonly used to scrap the dirt and wastes on the floor. Care and maintenance must be cleaned and dry before storing. Water hoses. Hollow tubes designed and carry fluids from one location to another. Hoses are also sometimes called pipes. The shape and of a hose usually critical care and maintenance. Never hand your hose and nails. Store hose out and direct silent and properly indoors or under cover. Sponge is characterized by readily absorbing water and becoming soft when wet while retaining softness. Used in bathing and wiping cleaning surface. Care and maintenance. Rinse after use. Dishcloth is used the kitchen to dry dishes other surface. Typical they are made of a cotton of other cloth. Socks and microfiber and measure 11 to 13 inches square. Care maintenance. Wash in detergent, rinse and dry after use. Mop, a stick with soft material attached to one end, especially used for cleaning floor. Care and maintenance. Number 1, wash with soapy water, detergent. 2, 30 squared out, shake with a get and excess moisture and left in to dry to on air. Duster are made in soft cotton flannel and artificial powder mounted on a stick is on clear, loose and dust version surface. Wash rice and dry thoroughly after use. Bucket is a watertight vertical cylinder and trocate cone with an open top and flat bottom, usually attached to a semicircular carrying handle that use hold water or any liquid solution used cleaning. I must cleaning and dry before storing. Cup rubber is used for reaching and shipping of flush without an stool. It is also used in tables, ceiling, corner, and other high areas. Remove dust before storing. Vacuum cleaner is a device that uses an air pump to create a partial vacuum to suck up dust and dirt, usually from floors and technical from other surfaces as well. The dirt is collected by either in dust bag or a silent for later disposal. Floor buffer is a electrical appliance that is used to clean and maintain non-carpet floor and socks and hardwood, marbles, tiles, and nylon. Cleaning supplies materials. Cleaning detergent is a surfactant or mixture of surfactant with cleaning properties. Is the diluted solution that is also used in cleaning purpose. Liquid detergent is a detergent is liquid from use for cleaning tools and equipments. Scrubbing foam is used to remove the contents of any tools and equipments. Paper towel, an absorbent textile made from paper strands of cloth used in drying hand, wiping window, dusting and cleaning up spill. Water, a liquid used for cleaning most of the stall and equipment, is also known as the universal solver. Plastic container, a container for temporarily storing repose and waste. Baking soda, known as bicarbonate and of soda or sodium bicarbonate is used to deodorize refrigerator. Gloves is a garment that cover the whole hand of a person that perform household service. Cleaning equipment. Vacuum cleaner devices that use an air pump to clear and potential vacuum toxins and dust and dirt, usually from floor and occasionally from other surface as well. To dirt and collected by others and dust bag and cyclone for later disposal. Floor polisher to be used in improving, scraping and polishing hard floor and surface and also and food and park. Use the appropriate pad for scrubbing, sharpening, and polishing. Give the wax on. Puppy shipper used to pick up distant particles from carpet, press the handle, and push toward to direct to vacuum ship and carpet. Hydro vacuum and dry vacuum cleaner is all-purpose vacuum for dry and wet for surface. It is used also absorbing water and floods or wipe surface. Carpet extractor. It is a design for dry foam shampooing of carpet is removing dirt and stick to or penetrate into the carpet layers. Twins hand grip and move machine gently for one of corner of other. Cleaning supply and materials. Scorping pad and characterized by readily absorbing water and aquafing soap when with wipe while retaining solely used in fitting and wiping or cleaning surface. Dusting cloth used for dusting wooden and paint pan. Cleaning towel used for drying bathroom wall and floor tiles after they are cleaning. Polishing cloth used for polishing metal surface like bathroom fixture. Hand brush for washing away dust from not surface. Socks and rotten waxwork used also for cleaning tiles. A toilet bowl brush is tools for cleaning a towel bowl. Mop with mop handle. It must or bubble of course straight or yarn or a piece of cloth, sponge or other absorbent materials attached to a pole or stick. It is used to socks or liquid for cleaning floor and other surface to mop. Scoily or squall is a tool with a flat, smooth, and rubber blade used for remove to control the floor and liquid to a flat surface. It is a use for cleaning and printing. Use this from remove the cobweb in the ceiling, queen and sponge, characterized by readily absorbing water. Bucket is a watertight vertical cylinder. Insect player used for fumigation so as a limited fence and mosquito. Floor polisher used in scrubbing, stripping, and polishing hard floor surface and all seven wood parquet. Carpet shifter used to pick up dirt and particles from the carpet. Hydro vacuum cleaner is also purpose vacuum for dry and wet surface. Carpet extractor is designed for dry foam, shampooing, and carpet in removing dirt and stick to or penetrates into the carpet layer. Towel-borne brush used for cleaning toilet bowl. Oiler to be applied to height of door so as to prevent squeaking sound from the door. Tongs used for picking up dirt and circulate both founds and archway. Bucket fork are used for cleaning floor, wall, and other parts of building. Insect flyer used for fumigation so as eliminate pests and mosquito.